how to stop and start secure Wi-Fi protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. So after click on Security and Privacy, so scroll down and click on More Security Settings. So after click on More Security Settings, so click on Secure Wi-Fi. So after click on Secure Wi-Fi, so if you want to start or stop Secure Wi-Fi, so if you want to start, so click on Protect. So after click on Protect, you will see Wi-Fi is secure folder is start. So if you want to stop, so again click on this protect icon, and now here you will see Wi-Fi secure folder is stop. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can start or stop secure Wi-Fi protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.